Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Venu from Government Polytechnic, Mahabubnagar, Telangana district, from Mechanical Department. So my topic is refrigeration. Good afternoon, everybody. What is the refrigeration? My name is Venu
Refrigeration
from Government
is the process
Polytechnic,
of removing the
Telangana
heat
district,
from the
Mechanical
refrigeration
Department.
space.
So my topic is
by
refrigeration.
maintaining the
What is
temperature
the
below
refrigeration?
compared to
Refrigeration
surrounding.
is
It is the
the
process
refrigeration
of
process.
removing the heat
So
from
in
the
the
refrigeration
refrigeration
process
space,
by
the
maintaining
mainly
the
the working
temperature
fluids used,
below
the working
compared
fluids
to
used in the
surrounding.
refrigeration process is called refrigerants.
So in the
The
refrigeration
commonly used
process,
refrigerants generally
the mainly the
R11
working fluid is used.
or
The working
22
fluids
or
used in the
12
refrigeration
or
process
134
is called
134
refrigerants.
carbon dioxide.
The commonly
sulfur
used
dioxide.
refrigerants
generally
these
are
are
generally
generally
used or 22
So
or
the
12
process, the refrigeration
or
process is
134,
operates on the
133
cycle is
carbon
called
dioxide,
refrigeration cycle.
sulfur dioxide.
There are
These
different
are
types
generally
of
used.
cycles.
One is the
So the
Bell
process,
Kaliman
the
cycle.
refrigeration
The
process
second
is
one is
operates on
vapor
the cycle
compression
is
cycle.
called
The
refrigeration
third
cycle.
one is vapor
There are
absorption
different
refrigeration
types of
cycle.
cycles.
One
So
is
in the Bell Kaliman
Bell
cycle,
Kaliman
the
cycle.
air is used in
The
the
second one is vapor
air is
compression
used
cycle.
as the working
The third
fluid.
one is vapor
So
absorption
therefore,
refrigeration
the air is
cycle.
there is no
So
change
in
in the
Bell
phase
Kaliman
from
cycle,
cycle.
the
The air is
vapor
used in the
vapor
working fluid.
The way air is used as
air
the working
is
fluid.
there is no change
So
in the
therefore, there is no
the
change
air
in
is
the
there
phase
is
from
no
vapor to
change in the
liquid.
phase from
During
vapor
the
to liquid or liquid
vapor,
vapor, you know,
during the
evaporation process
air
or
is
condensation
there is
process.
no change in the
There is no change in the phase
from vapor to liquid.
So
during
therefore,
the
very
during
little
the
amount of
evaporation
heat is
process
removed from the
condensation process
condenser. There is
from
no
the
change
condenser.
in the phase.
Therefore, very little amount
So
of heat is
therefore, very little
So
amount
in
of heat is removed from the
same time
in the
condenser,
evaporator also.
from the condenser.
Very little
Therefore,
amount of
very
heat
little
is
amount of
removed.
heat is
It is
removed.
absorbed from the
So in the
refrigerator space.
and at the same
Therefore,
time
in the evaporator
very
also,
less cooling effect is
very
produced.
little amount of heat
That
is
implies
removed. It is
very
absorbed
less amount
from
of
the
refrigeration
refrigerator
effect is
space.
produced.
So
Therefore,
to overcome
very
this
less
problem,
cooling effect is
one
produced.
more cycle is
That
used.
implies
The cycle is the
very less
vapor
amount of
compression
refrigeration
effect is
cycle.
produced. In
So,
vapor compression, to
refrigeration
overcome
cycle,
this problem,
generally,
one more cycle is used.
R1,
That cycle is
R22,
the vapor
R12,
compression,
ammonia are used.
In vapor compression,
Because of
refrigeration
these
cycle,
are
refrigerants are
generally,
used. Here there is
R11,
no change.
R22,
Here the
R12,
phase is changed from vapor
ammonia
to
are
liquid
used.
or liquid to vapor.
Because of
In
these are
refrigerants are
evaporated
used.
and also
Here there is
condenser.
no change. So
Here the phase
due
is
to this
changed
phase
from
change
vapor to
in the
liquid or liquid to
vaporization process.
in the
Therefore,
evaporator
very
and also
high amount of
condenser.
heat is absorbed
So,
from the refrigerator
due to
space.
this phase
the main
change in
function
the
to remove the heat
vaporization
so,
process,
by using the R11,
therefore,
R12,
very
R22,
high amount of heat
the
is absorbed from
maximum
the
amount of
refrigerator
heat
space.
is the main
Absorbed
function
from the
to remove the heat. So
Therefore,
by using the
maximum
R11,
amount of
R12,
R22,
cooling effect is produced. For
the
example,
maximum
here
amount
air
of
conditioning
heat
is
is
absorbed
here,
from the
in this
refrigerator
room,
space.
completely
Therefore,
AC is
maximum
So,
amount of cool is
air
cool is
is
cooled
produced.
by removing
For
the
example,
heat from the room.
here air conditioning,
Therefore, maximum amount of heat is
here, in this
maximum
room,
amount of heat is
completely
removing
AC
from
is
this room.
So,
how can I
how
air
can
is
this
cooled
heat
by
is
removing the
removed
heat
because
from the
of
room?
the-
Here,
Therefore, in the
maximum
AC
amount of heat
system,
is
what
maximum amount of
refrigerant
heat is
is used,
removing
that
from
is the
this room.
R22.
How can I
In
R22
R22
the function
heat
is
is removed because of the
here
during
in
the
the
AC
phase
system,
during the heat
one
is
refrigerant
removed
is
removing
used,
from the
that is the
refrigerator
R22.
space. In
The
R22 the function
R22
is
the
is phase
um,
change from liquid to
during
vapor.
the phase
Therefore,
during the
more
heat
amount of
removed
heat is
is
removed
removed
from
from
the
the
refrigerator
space.
space.
Therefore,
More amount
the
of cooling effect is produced in the
R22
room.
therefore,
Is phase change
maximum
from
amount of
liquid to
refrigeration
vapor.
effect is
Therefore,
produced.
more amount of heat is
So,
removed from the
main advantage is
Therefore,
maximum
more amount of
amount
cooling
of
effect is
vapor-
produced in the
maximum
room.
amount of
Therefore,
refrigeration
maximum
effect,
amount
that
of
means cooling
refrigeration
effect
effect
is
is
produced in
produced.
vapor compression system.
So,
And also
the main
next one is
advantage
the
is
vapor
maximum
amount of vapor.
But in vapor
maximum amount
compression
of
system, compressor
refrigeration
is
effect,
cost
that
is
means
very
cooling
high
effect is produced
compared to
in
vapor absorption
system.
system. In vapor
And
absorption
also
system,
next
the
one is the
compressor
vapor
is
absorption
replaced by pump.
But
But in
generator
vapor compressor
and
system,
also
compressor is cost is very high. In vapor compared to vapor absorption system. In
earlier
vapor
we
absorption
discussed
system,
vapor compressor system.
the
That is, in
compressor
vapor
is
compressor
replaced
system,
by pump.
and
Only
generator
one
and
refrigerant
also
is used. But in vapor absorption system, there are two
In vapor
refrigerants are used.
one is the
Earlier we
absorbing
discussed vapor
and
compressor system. That is in vapor
second one is the
compressor system.
refrigerant.
Only one
The
refrigerant
absorbent
is
and
used. But in
refrigerant,
vapor
the main
absorption system, there are two
difference
refrigerants are used.
boiling
One
point
is the
temperature.
absorbent.
The
refrigerant
and,
has a low boiling
second
point
one is the
temperature.
The
The
absorbent is
absorbent
the
and
high
refrigerant,
boiling
the main
point
difference
temperature.
is so
Boiling point
because of
temperature.
difference
The
of refrigerant
boiling
has
point
a low
temperature.
boiling point temperature.
These
These two
The
refrigerants are
absorbent is the
separated
high
in the
boiling point
generator.
temperature.
So,
Okay.
because of difference of the boiling point temperature, these two refrigerants are separated in the generator.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Venu from Government Polytechnic, Mahabubnagar, Telangana district, from Mechanical Department. So my topic is refrigeration. What is the refrigeration? Refrigeration, it is the process of removing the heat from the refrigeration space by maintaining the temperature below compared to surrounding. That's called refrigeration process. So in the refrigeration process, mainly the working fluid is used. The working fluids used in the refrigeration process is called refrigerants. The commonly used refrigerants generally R11, R22, R12, R134, 134A, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These are generally used. So the process, the refrigeration process is operates on the cycle is called refrigeration cycle. There are different types of cycles. One is the Bell-Kalimann cycle. The second one is vapor compression cycle. The third one is vapor absorption refrigeration cycle. So in the Bell-Kalimann cycle, the air is used in the working fluid. Air is used as the working fluid. So therefore, the air is there is no change in the phase from vapor to liquid or liquid vapor. You know, the way the air is, there is no change in the phase from vapor to liquid. During the evaporation process or condensation process, there is no change in the phase. So therefore, very little amount of heat is removed from the condenser Therefore, very little amount of heat is removed. So at the same time, in the evaporator also, very little amount of heat is removed. It is absorbed from the refrigerator space. Therefore, very less cooling effect is produced. That implies very less amount of refrigeration effect is produced. So, to overcome this problem, one more cycle is used. That cycle is the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. In vapor compression refrigeration cycle, generally R11, R22, R12 ammonia are used. Because of these refrigerants are used, here there is no change. Here the phase is changed from vapor to liquid or liquid to vapor in the evaporator and also condenser. So due to this phase change in the vaporization process, therefore very high amount of heat is absorbed from the refrigerator space. The main function to remove the heat. So by using the R11, R12, R22, the maximum amount of heat is absorbed from the refrigerator space. Therefore, maximum amount of cooling effect is produced. For example, here air conditioning, here in this room, completely AC is used. So air is cooled by removing the heat from the room. Therefore, maximum amount of heat is removing from this room. How can this heat is removed? Because of the here in the AC system, one refrigerant is used, that is the R22. In R22, the function is the during the heat is removing from the refrigerator space, the R22 is phase change from liquid to vapor. Therefore, more amount of heat is removed from the room. Therefore, more amount of cooling effect is produced in the room. Therefore, maximum amount of refrigeration effect is produced. So, the main advantage is maximum amount of refrigeration effect, that means cooling effect is produced in vapor compression system. And also, next one is the vapor absorption system. But in vapor compression system, compressor cost is very high compared to vapor absorption system. In vapor absorption system, the compressor is replaced by pump and generator and also absorber. In earlier we discussed vapor compression system. That is, in vapor compression system, only one refrigerant is used. But in vapor absorption system, there are two refrigerants are used. One is the absorbent and second one is the refrigerant. The absorbent and refrigerant, the main difference is boiling point temperature. The refrigerant has the low boiling point temperature. The absorbent is the high boiling point temperature. So, because of difference of the boiling point temperature, These two refrigerants are separated in the generator. Okay, thank you.